Today I'm going to show you how to easily declutter and organise your wardrobe. We're going to start off by writing out keep, throw and set aside on some post-it notes or some paper. The next thing we're going to do is dump all of our clothes and bags into one big pile. A great way to declutter clothes is to think about how it makes you feel when you wear it. Does it make you feel confident? Does it make you feel good? Or is it itchy? Or doesn't it fit well? We want to put our party and occasion clothes on the top shelf so it's easy to find. Clothes and bags that we only probably wear once a year. And then depending on what season you're in, put all the clothes that you're not currently wearing to the back of the wardrobe. I'm in autumn, so I've put my warm clothes to the back. To the front of the wardrobe, we're going to use some organisers to organise our clothes that we wear every day. So in one of them, I've got all my t-shirts, jeans. And then to the front of the wardrobe, I've got all my tops and clothes that I wear every day. So they're just very easy to find. And that way we're not looking for things. All our bags are in one place.